Bucktool 8-inch bench grinder results. Pro torque at any speed.
Chisel slips on a jittery wheel. Edge crumbles. Project tanks. Hit Riley mid-restoration. Gouged a vintage plane iron. Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder welds calm with cast iron muscle. Grinder ever betray your best cut? Smash wheel wobble in comments and unleash your rage tail. Shop clocks scream endless bevels. Forearms burning, burnout as single-speed motors cough and fry steel. That acrid scorch on your blade? Vile. Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder delivers dial-in mastery. 900 RPM cool, 3600 RPM fury. Zero drama. Taste the velvet torque begging for your grip?
Unveil Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder, your 2025 Edge Wizard. 3/4 HP S1 7A induction with S6 8A burst spins wobble-free 900 to 3600 RPM. One-touch high-low switch plus memory dial. P, hold 3 seconds, locks custom speeds. Upgraded 2-point workrests plus cast iron base crush vibration for laser edges. 3-watt LED floods light, 3x magnifier shield zooms detail. 80 and 120 grit way wheels run cool, no burn, overcurrent or thermal protection. 5/8-inch Arbor fits CBN upgrades, rubber feet silence shake, 2-year warranty. Bladesmith Pro Jade nearly bombed a client rush, heat blew to Damascus blank, but cranked Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder to 1100 RPM, rescued the steel, sealed the deal. Aluminum heft cool, wheels purring silk, sparks bowing safe. That first mirror kiss? Electric. Weight objection? That mass is the zen. Bonus tease? Speed memory cheat sheet drops final, your hidden bevel blueprint.
Efficiency erupts. Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder hones focus with wobble-free precision, launches performance via cool grind torque. Expert, 0.002-inch runout, pro silent. Influencer, dialed 900 RPM, saved $500 knife, edge like glass. Analyst, S6 surge crushes fixed speed relics. User, 18 months daily, still factory fresh, tools dance. I fired mine mid-build, heat vanished, bevels locked, no more blue shame. See why thousands hail it Edge Guide across Blade forums, YouTube, and Instagram. Price bite? Bundles LED, magnifier, memory, beats $450 rivals. Lightly playful? Why barbecue steel on old junk when variable speed cooks perfect? Sensory hook, dial snaps, light bathes, iron roots your world. Which RPM flips your script, low cool or high bite? Drop your vote below. If you're struggling with scorched edges, this may change your game. Feel the hypnotic pull, that cheeky grin when metal melts smooth.
Black Friday units vanishing. Amazon has fewer than 80 left. Join thousands carving perfection with Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder. Torque at any speed, Bucktool declares. Snag now for 48-hour speed memory template bonus. Wobble-free ready, results may vary. Affiliate disclosure, links may earn commission. Quit stalling. Tap link in description. Claim Bucktool 8-inch variable speed bench grinder and slice 2025 like butter tonight.